Hi, this is Doug Graham from PennyStockPromo.com. I'm creating this live trading video to show you how much money you can make and how little effort it takes to do so with each of my weekly stock picks. It's penny stocks just like the one I'm about to show you that have allowed me to go from an unemployed college dropout to thriving millionaire these past few years. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so here we are on the Yahoo Finance homepage. I'm going to reload it so you can see that this is live. We zoom in here near the top right. You can see the current date and time. It's Thursday, January 27th, 2011, just about 3 hours after the market opened. If you notice, my computer says it's just 9:30. Well, there's a 3-hour difference there because I'm on the West Coast in California. So the company I would bring your attention is called YesDTC. Ticker symbol is YESD. Trades on the bulletin boards here in the US. You can see the stock is currently trading around 3 cents. Yahoo Finance likes to round up and down for the really low price stocks, so to make sure you get an accurate quote, you look over here on the right, you can see the stock opened at 0.028, has bounced around a little bit, and actually is right now right about 3 cents. Now if you look at the company website, you can see that they design direct-to-consumer marketing campaigns. Basically what this means is they market different products via different things like infomercials. That's a pretty exciting company. They've got a great story, some solid fundamentals, and it's exactly the type of stock that could easily explode 50 to 100% higher if the right promotional efforts are put in place, which I can tell you is exactly what's happening with YESD right now. Now I want to show you in one of my brokerage accounts. If we look here on the bottom, I placed an order this morning to buy just under 180,000 shares at 0.028. A little bit after I placed the order, you can see the date and time is the same as January 27, 2011. My order got filled at 0.0279. You can see the status is filled, and if you look at my position statement, there's YESD. There's the amount of shares I own. It's not an even 180,000 because I did the math and wanted a $5,000 position. So what we're going to do now is pause the video. Going to pick back up in a day, maybe a few days, when I expect to see the stock trading much, much higher. Welcome back, everyone. Here we are once again on the Yahoo Finance homepage. I'm going to reload this again so you can see that the current date and time is. So we're Monday, January 31st, 2011, almost an hour into the market open here. So this is the exciting part. This is where you get to see exactly the type of money you can make with my stock picks that I release on a weekly basis. So let's pull up the quote on the YESD I mentioned. And here you get to see it. Boom. The stock is currently up 82%. Now again, Yahoo Finance likes to round up and round down. This is not exactly what a stock is trading at. It looks like it's right now a little bit above 6 cents a share. But this is what I'm talking about. I expected the stock to go up between 50 and 100% in the short term. Here we are 2 trading days later and the stock is doing just that. So again, to show you exactly what I did in my own account, zoom in here on the bottom, same date and time, January 31st, 2011. I put in an order to sell my stock at 0.051. You can see the status is filled. Position statement, there's YESD. I have no shares, and if you look over here, this is the amount of money I made on my $5,000 position, just over a little over $4,100, which if you do the math means I made about 82%. But if we go back to the chart on Yahoo Finance, the first half of this video was here. This is where I made the first half of the video. I showed you that I made my purchase right about here. So you can see that there was actually plenty of time to get in around where I bought. And actually on Friday, there was time to get in a little bit lower than where I bought. And the stock today currently hit a high above 6 cents. And you can see that I actually sold it a little too premature at 0.051. I'm happy with that. I could have made more than an extra $1,000 on it, but I'm happy with my position. I'm happy with the profit I made. I don't think anybody can complain about $4,100 in just 2 trading days. So if you're interested in receiving stock picks like this on a weekly basis, if you want to make 50 to 100%, sometimes 1,000% on your money in the short term, go ahead and sign up below.